Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel Find My Toy. So today we will look for the toy cars here in the field. Look at all the rice field is flooded with water. So we're looking for the toy cars here. Wow, let's take a look at this. Wow, look at this. Okay, we found toy car here in the plastic bag. Wow, look at this, the purple car. Wow, nice. I had plate number at the back. Okay, another one here, upside down wheel, police car in the plastic bag. Okay, keep looking. Okay, here again. Okay, somebody floating in here. Wow, beautiful city racing car, plate number at the back. Wow, that's nice. Let's keep looking, some more car. Wow, guys, here. Okay, here we found here again the cars. Wow, look at this. Okay, we keep looking more toy car here. Wow, this is a fire rescue. Wow, red color. It's in the plastic bag. Put in here. We keep looking more. Okay, here. Wow, another purple racing car. In here. Wow, look at this. Look at this. And here's a helicopter in the plastic bag. Police helicopter. And keep looking more. Wow, here another helicopter here. Wow, look at this racing helicopter. Looking more car. Wow, look at this. Wow, police car special mission. Police car. Okay, here again. Wow, we found the blue car racing city in a plastic bag. Okay, so we float all these baskets. Keep looking for toy car. Wow, look at this. Wow, police car, racing police car. Okay, keep looking more. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is a dump truck. Wow, hot truck here in the city. Okay, here's some more. Wow, look at this. Nice car. Wow. Wow, big truck. Okay, keep looking some more. Wow, another one here. Wow, look at this. That is beautiful. Wow, look at this. All comes in the plastic bag. Right, thank you for watching.